I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites: basic syntax, control structures, and simple functions. Start now by writing 5 tiny programs that use variables and an if/else. This gives immediate feedback. Once done, spend 10-15 minutes on pattern drills to build intuition. Make sure to focus on one language for the first 2 weeks so you avoid cognitive switching. That concentrated repetition forms the mental maps you'll reuse when problems grow in complexity. Now continue by training pattern recognition. Break each problem into input, process, output. Write pseudocode or a simple flowchart before coding. This reduces errors and highlights edge cases. Once you translate that plan into code, run targeted tests and refactor for clarity. Rename variables, extract helpers. Make sure to vary problems, arrays, loops, recursion, so you're building a library of templates. Over time, you'll pick the right pattern faster and with fewer trial runs. Finish by making your practice resilient. Add a handful of unit tests and automate at least one test run to catch regressions. When bugs appear, use print statements or logging plus a binary search approach on inputs to isolate the failure quickly. Once fixed, annotate the cause and the fix so you learn why it happened. If things still go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: revert to a minimal reproducible example. Simplify until the error persists. Then you'll see the root cause clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.